Hello, hello, and thank you so much for joining me here. Again, this is going to be a short video this week, and I am making strawberry banana muffins with pecans. I first saw this recipe from I Am a Baker on Facebook, but I decided to make some adjustments and to add a little bit of pecans because my family really like to have a bit of nuts in their homemade muffins. And today we are celebrating the first birthday of my second grandbaby. Although it's not her actual birthday, we chose to celebrate today, and we are going to have a breakfast type brunch. I thought these muffins would be a wonderful addition to this celebratory event. So I'm hoping that in the next few weeks I can have a little longer video for you with maybe some crafts. I have just been extremely busy, and I'm having a lot of good conversations with a friend that I recently reconnected with, and it's just been so joyous to have this opportunity. And while baking, I like to hand mix in some of the flour because it sometimes when you overmix it, it makes the final product either hard or a bit too chewy. And I find that when I mix in, I can control the effect of the gluten in the flour. Anytime you're mixing in a fruit within a muffin, it's good to add some flour to the fruit so that it doesn't make the final product too soggy, too wet. And this allows the fruit to actually remain within the muffins or whatever else you're baking with fruit. And these will bake at 425 degrees for 5 minutes. And then you want to reduce the temperature to 350 and then allow them to bake for another 13 to 17 minutes. And quite yummy indeed. Awesome. Thank you so much for watching. Have a beautiful day or evening, and I'll see you soon.